Tezlyn Figaro just explained exactly why I created Capitalist Activists. And strangely enough, it's because we disagree. This is Capitalist Activists, where consumers become owners. First, let me say this. I have the utmost respect for Tezlyn Figaro and the work she does. And I understand her challenge to Earn Your Leisure co-founder, Bilal. If Black people helped build the audience, supported the movement, bought the tickets, and helped create the culture around InvestFest, then yes, you should acknowledge that. But then Tezlyn said something that caught my attention. She said her calling isn't about investing. It's about divesting from things that don't align with her purpose. And that's where we see things differently, because I don't believe investing and activism have to live on opposite sides of the room. Sometimes activism absolutely means taking your money away. Boycott, divest, apply pressure. But sometimes activism can mean buying your way in. When you buy shares in a public company, you're not just a consumer anymore. You're an owner. And ownership can give you another set of tools. Shareholders can vote, they can organize, they can support shareholder proposals, they can question corporate leadership, they can push companies on the issues that matter to them. Now, owning a few shares isn't going to suddenly give you control of Apple, Disney, or Starbucks. I wish it worked like that. But collectively, ownership creates another avenue for participation and influence. And that's the idea behind capitalist activists. I don't think we have to choose between building wealth and demanding change. I don't think we have to choose between investing and organizing. And I definitely don't think economic power and political power belong in separate conversations. Sometimes activism means taking your money out. And sometimes activism means taking ownership and pushing from the inside. Tezlyn's adding tools to the movement. Earn Your Leisure is adding tools. And Capitalist Activist, we're adding one more. Ownership. Own what you consume. If you like political, financial, and cultural commentary with an ownership lens, like this video and subscribe to Capitalist Activists, because we don't just invest to make money, we invest to make change.